video introduction to HCL's OneTest Server, you'll learn how to register for an account, clone your Git repository to access your tests, and finally, how to execute your tests and review the results. Let's get started by creating an account. Now that I've created my user, I can see the projects some of my other team members have been working on. We might want to join some of these projects, and I can do that by making a request. When the owner logs in, they'll see my request and can approve or reject. For now, I'll create my own project. Once I have my project, I'll need to configure a connection to my repository of tests. You'll need to clone the repository using an appropriate URL and give the server your credentials. When the server finishes cloning the repo, you'll see options to switch the branch you want to work with and to select all projects within the repo or a specific folder if you just want to work with one project. Let's take a look at the overview page. It gives us a view of what tests exist in the repository, what types of tests they are, and how many executable suites we'll have access to. You can see here that my project contains API tests. In the next videos, you'll see other types of tests for UI automation and performance testing. Now let's have a look at the execution page. This is where you'll see test suites that I mentioned earlier. Suites are just collections of tests that are executable from the OneTest server. So let's execute one. Here you can see how we can execute the test now or schedule for later, and we can add labels to easily identify. There's also many different runtime options available to us, but don't worry, the configurations are sticky, so you'll only have to set this up once. Now we've started running a test, you'll be able to see it in the progress view. Here I can see what stage the execution is at and information about the running execution container. Once the test finishes, reports are available in the results view, and we can drill down into details. Skipping back to the overview page, we can now see we've started to gather some summary data, which we can use to guide our next steps. Thanks for watching this short video. For more, please check out our channel and watch the remainder of the tutorial series.